Come spend a day with me at the Culinary Institute of America in Hyde Park, New York. The class I took was Spain and the World Table. Chef Eric Sauber was excellent, and we each broke out into teams of 4 and made 4 dishes each. We cooked non-stop for about 3 hours and sat to eat our feast. I'll say I've done many cooking classes. This felt like you were in a real restaurant kitchen and you really had to rely on your team. I did wish there was more demonstrations and more discussion about Spain's cuisine, traditional dishes, and culture. Ultimately, it was a lot of hard work, but really fun. At the CIA, you can get hands-on experience in the form of boot camps, single-day classes, and beverage classes, all of which are with CIA chef instructors and state-of-the-art kitchens. This single-day class costs $250, and they go very fast. I had to book mine 5 months in advance. After we ate and class was over, I explored the campus and bookstore. I hear the student-run restaurants on campus are recommended. CIA also offers tours for $15 on Wednesday, Friday, and Saturdays at 2:30. All of the money goes to student scholarships too. This was a huge dream of mine to cook at the CIA. I'd love to try another one, and I'll add more information in the captions. Definitely a cool experience to add to your bucket list. Would you try this cooking class? Let me know in the comments, and happy exploring!